Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you this hearty recipe for Cajun chicken pasta. It's a combination of vegetables cooked with spices, sautéed chicken strips, and a creamy cheese sauce. It's perfect when you want something filling and just a little spicy. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 200 Celsius. Get some canola oil into a sauté pan over medium heat. Add in a mixture of diced celery, onion, and bell pepper. This is called Trinity, and it's very popular in Cajun and Southern cooking. Season with salt, pepper, and as much Cajun or Creole spice mix as you like. I always add a Fresno chili as well for a little extra heat. You can add any hot pepper you like or just leave it out. Stir occasionally until softened, about 5 to 6 minutes. Add in a couple of cloves of sliced or minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Set this all aside. I'm using the same pan here. Throw in some butter, you heard me, and add in some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I've cut these into strips because I want to fiddle around with the presentation, but if you want, you could cut them into bite-sized pieces now. Sauté for about 3 or 4 minutes aside or until golden brown, then stick them in the preheated oven for about 5 more minutes to finish cooking. Set the chicken aside while we make the last 2 components. Get a 1-pound box of penne pasta into well-salted boiling water and cook according to the package directions. While the pasta cooks, I'm going to show you how to make one of the classic French mother sauces. It's called bechamel. Then we're going to transform it into a cheese sauce to go with our pasta. Get 1 ounce, that's 2 tablespoons of butter into a saucepan. Let the butter melt and add in 1 ounce, that's about 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir this together to make a roux. It should look like wet sand. Cook the roux for about 5 minutes to eliminate the raw flour taste. Stir in 16 ounces, that's 1 pint or 2 cups of whole milk. Yes, you need whole milk. Throw in a couple of tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce if you like. Now, if you're classically trained like me, you're going to say, "Where's the nutmeg?" That's a perfectly correct and traditional thing to add, but I didn't think it would be right for this recipe. I chose to spice this up another way. Raise the heat and stir this together until it begins to thicken. That's the roux working. Turn the heat down and let it bubble away for about 5 more minutes. Keep your eye on it and stir it occasionally. The pasta should just about be finished by now, so you can drain it and then we'll finish up the sauce. Stir in 2 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese. If I had to guess, I'd say that's about 3/4 of a cup. Just stir it in until it goes nice and creamy. Now we can put everything together and eat. Add the cooked vegetables to your pasta and stir everything together. Now stir in your cheese sauce thoroughly to combine. You could add a little more milk if this seems too thick for you. I could have done that, but it was still delicious, trust me. If you wanted to go meatless, you could stop right here and still have a great dish. Also, you could stir in the cooked chicken if you chopped it up beforehand, but I'm going with another way for the presentation and the thumbnail. And here is your Cajun chicken pasta. Chicken and well-seasoned vegetables in a creamy cheese sauce. You wouldn't hurt my feelings if you added some browned andouille sausage to this as well. If you're enjoying my videos and learning more about cooking, click that like button. Visit my website, southernaccentfoods.com, download and print my recipes, and sign up for a weekly recipe email and access to my newest video before it goes public on YouTube.